create text-to-image Huggingface space. So using Python, yeah. First step is to create a space on Huggingface. Let's create new space and enter the name. So let's enter text-to-image. Then choose license and a streamlet. Let's create it. Go to files and create new file named app.py. Let's start writing the code by importing required libraries. It's streamlit as set, and next is requirements and IO. Next is from pill. Let's import image to show image on our screen, and OS to get environment variables. Let's create a title. Let's firstly create a variable token, or our Huggingface token, to generate images using Huggingface interface API. So let's get it. And now enter API URLs. It's first for KVI imager 2.0. Now we leave it empty. API URL for Midjourney, and keep it empty too. And API URL for Delia 3, and keep it empty too. Now let's give a title for our space. I'll give text-to-image models. And now let's write on screen how to use this space. And here you just need to write how to use it. Yeah, choose model, and then write prompt, and your image will be generated. Next, let's create a select box to select the model. Here, first argument is choose the model, and then what models we can choose. Here it is, KVI imager 2.0. Then enter Midjourney. Here, Midjourney. And the third is the E3. Okay, it's done. Next, let's create a input field for the prompt to get our prompt and generate image based on it. And first argument is label. It's enter prompt. Yeah, there isn't a second argument, so let's continue. No, firstly we need to make this input field as a prompt variable to get it, and also select box make variable set model. Yeah, if prompt, let's write if model is model, if it's KVI Imager 2.0. Let's make API URL to API URL KVI. Next, elif model is Midjourney version 6. We'll make API URL to API URL image. Next, elif model is del-e3. Let's make API URL to API URL del-e. Next, let's create response variable image. And now let's firstly create a function to generate image. To do this, we just need to search any model on Huggingface and take it interface API, and there we will copy a function. Yeah, you can see there a query function. We just copied and paste in our code. Okay, here it is done. And let's copy image bytes. It's that variable that I wanted to create. Just paste it here, and it's okay. And this text changed to the our prompt. Next, let's make output image element where we will make output image, and caption is generated image. So it's done. Now add info that image is successfully generated. Okay, here it is, it's done. Now let's paste API URLs. Firstly, let's paste Midjourney, copy it from interface API on model page, and paste it here. And now second, we will paste I think yeah, KVI imager. And there is 3. And copy it and also paste in our code. Okay, I think it's done. So commit change, and so we can just launch our space and see what it's like. But firstly, let's create new secret variable. It's our token. Name it as we named it, and copy it also from interface API and paste. Okay, save it. Now let's test our app. Use any model, or okay, let's keep this and enter prompt astronaut riding a horse. Here it is, but we have an error, so let's correct it. Go to our code, edit it, and we need to copy header because it's undefined. So create a new variable, its headers, and change this to our token variable, and also put f before this to make variable accessible. Okay, it's done. Now let's just enter prompt and see what we have.